Have you ever planned a fun camping trip only to end up not wanting to go at the last minute? This recently happened to me. I didn't want to be here. In this video, I'll share what happened, how I dealt with it, and the lessons I learned when I showed up for myself. But first, let's set up camp. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tori, and I'm on a mission this year to go from campgrounds to my very first solo wild camp here in the Pacific Northwest. I was supposed to be here yesterday, and I just woke up really exhausted and I didn't want to be here. And it had been almost 2 months since I had been on my last camping trip. I just told myself, okay, I'll see how I feel on Tuesday, which is today. So yesterday wasn't totally wasted. I went to the dollar store and picked up some camping items. So I'll show you that here in just a little bit once I get the table set up. Just lesson learned. You have to just listen to your body. If you're not feeling up to doing something, then you don't do it. And you don't shame yourself. You don't give yourself a guilt trip. You just move on. And that's what I did. But now I'm here and I'm excited and I can't wait to show you this beautiful, beautiful area. Okay, I don't shop at the Dollar Tree very often, but when I do, I find some cool stuff. So here's a pole for a broom and a mop for my tent. And then a little soap dispenser, scrubby thing. I already put soap in it. And a little whisk for my nonstick pan. And then just a couple little snacks. I got some jerky and some sour candy. So I also forgot. I got two 11 by 14 like cutting boards, but I cut this in half so it's small. We're gonna make some pork tacos, so let's go, shall we? Okay, so we have some pork roast left over from Easter. Okay. I just want to not have this be so dry. Give it a little bit of flavor. Okay, let's get some butter. Put some pepper jack on the tortilla. Let's get the next one. Put a little crunchy radish, tomatillo sauce. How's that for a pork taco? Let's give this a shot. I've got some fire sauce here from Taco Bell. I'm gonna give that a shot. That is so good. Good morning. It's still a little chilly out, but I felt like my head was kind of sweating, so I had to take off my hat. I slept just as good as I normally would at home, which isn't that great, so I call that a win, because it means I just slept like I normally do. Pretty soon we'll get some breakfast made, and then we'll go down to the beach. We're gonna be adding some chorizo. Got some pork chorizo here. I don't know if that's gonna be too much or not. Wind coming from this side. Just a little bit of jack cheese. Gonna add just a little sour cream. Okay. Can you see that? That's pretty good. And the chorizo's not very spicy at all. Might have to add a little fire sauce from my stash. It is so beautiful out. I love spring. Spring is just a time for rebirth, growth, to reinvent yourself if you want. I'm excited for the things to come this year. I'm excited to be brave enough to go disperse camping by myself. And if it doesn't happen this year, I'm okay with that. It doesn't mean I failed, it just means that it wasn't quite the right time. So far this trip is teaching me a lot of things. Pretty excited about the future. It looks like somebody had a huge bonfire right here on the beach. Pretty neat. Okay, you guys, we are gonna make some homemade lasagna. It's already been pre-made and I vacuum sealed it probably, I don't know, a few years ago, maybe last year. We're gonna find out. Let's take a look here. Oh yeah, this was just for last Christmas. Water is almost boiling. Okay, there we go. Okay, I think this is done. It's getting dark out here. The sun has already set. Okay, let's give this a little taste test here. That is delicious. I make homemade lasagna every Christmas. This trip wasn't just about camping. It was about showing up for myself, even when I almost didn't. I have so many camping trips planned, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and until then, go chase your own wild.